Hi there, Sherry from Side by Side Enclosures. We're here today with the Massimo T Boss. This will cover the 550 and the 750 T Boss. We have our new enclosure and we're going to show you how to install it. It's a real simple installation. When you get your package, you're going to have the back window, your side windows, a roll of Velcro, and then a tube of adhesive promoter. So the first thing you're going to want to do is apply your Velcro. We're going to apply it to the back first, and then we'll apply it for the sides. I already have some Velcro on this one just to make it a little faster, but basically what you're going to want to do is tilt your bed. You're going to run Velcro right down this edge for your back window. You're going to run it across this top bar, right along the bottom of this top bar the whole way across, and then you're going to run it. And you can just put tabs if you want down here to hold the back down. So at that point, to install the Velcro, you're going to want to make sure the enclosure or the unit's clean. Clean it with a rubbing alcohol first, let it dry, and then you'll take the adhesive promoter, and wherever you want to put Velcro, you just run a little bit of that. You can get it smeared. You can use a paper towel, your finger, whatever. You're just going to smear the adhesive promoter wherever you're putting Velcro. It'll help the Velcro adhere better. And you can let it dry too, and then stick your Velcro on. So that's where you're going to want it, across the bottom of the bar, a few tabs along the bottom and down each side, coming down the side of the roll cage. Then you can go ahead and install it for your doors also, and it's very simple. You're just going to follow this ledge going down. Go right down this ledge, just little pieces. You don't have to, make it all one continuous piece. Then you're going to install it across this ledge right here and down these sides, and then across your roll cage, right kind of underneath your roof, and then right down the front of the roll bar along the windshield here. Okay, so then once you have all your Velcro installed, you'll go ahead and start installing the enclosure. Now the back window, you just kind of install it right along that bar, center it, wrap it around. It's going to wrap around and attach like this. Now you're going to see these straps. You want all these straps open like this when you put it on. And you can attach it, go over to the other side and attach it at the bottom. If everything's centered the way you want it, at that point, you can take these straps and they're going to wrap around the roll cage just for extra protection so they don't come loose. And this one's a little harder to get to because of the seat, but you can wrap it around also. So, and there's also the same straps. There's 3 going across this bar. You'll wrap them around also. So then you have your back window all installed. You can go ahead at that point and close your tailgate. Might be easier if you leave the tailgate open, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. Leave the tailgate open. Then you'll take one of your side panels, and then you'll just do the same for the second one. What you're going to want to do is go ahead and unzip. You'll see the zipper. This just makes it less cumbersome to work with. So you go ahead and unzip it with the big section with the window aside. Leaves you just this little section, like this. A good place to start is you'll have this is going to go right along this edge, okay, and right along the edge of your windshield where your Velcro is. And again, have all these straps open, one on the outside, one on the inside. And you go ahead and run it up. And then at this point, you'll start kind of tucking it underneath your roof. Give you some extra protection. You'll get all the tabs tucked in. Stretch it back. Keep it. You can just kind of pull your roof up and tuck it underneath your roof. And at a later time, you'll go ahead and push all these straps in. I'm not going to do it just for speed, but you'll tuck all these straps in. Run it back like so. Again, all these straps will be tucked in so that once you're sure that this is sitting correctly where you want it, you can go ahead and wrap them around. I wouldn't do it until I made sure that it was sitting correctly, exactly where I want it. I might have it a little high right here. So then at that point, you'll take your big part and it'll zip on, just like so. Okay, and this section's going to go ahead, and that strip of Velcro you put on, this section's going to attach right down that edge and then come down and attach down here. So now we have this section hooked on. We'll go ahead, stretch it back and attach it to our back, and then all this attaches right where you put all the Velcro and across the bottom. At that point, you can go ahead and close your bed. And now we know that it's installed correctly where we want it. So what I would do is just go ahead, unzip, and you can reach in, wrap these straps around, and attach them. Again, that's just for extra hold. In case any Velcro would let loose, you have your straps. So you'll wrap all your straps around, up at the top and down the back, and you're basically installed. Now to get in and out of it, to get in, all you'll do is you go to your zipper, pull this back, you can get right in. You get inside, just zip it back up. Simply unzip, push it back, and you're out. And this can also work with, once you have your nets up also, you can leave your safety nets on. Zip it up, nice tight fit. Also has a strap that'll strap right around the bar right here to keep it from flopping. And then the neat part is, if you're out and it's cold, you're all zipped up and it warms up, you can actually just unzip this section, pull it off, take it and roll it up. We give you a little storage bag. You can roll it up and put it in a storage bag. And then if it starts raining, you can keep the doors with you. If it would start raining, in a matter of seconds, you actually have your enclosure back on. Just take it and you zip it back up. Attach it to the back again. Run it right down on the sides. And that quick, you're reinstalled and enclosed and safe from the elements. Again, this is the Massimo T Boss 750. They also work with the 550. And Sherry from Side by Side Enclosures. www.sidexsideenclosures.com or 724-614-7660. Thank you and have a nice day.